11c is about finding the oblique asymptote. There are two values ax and b. So first, how to find the a is to compare the coefficient of the largest term. One is 1 and one is 2. So a equals 1 over 2. So how to find b? It is a procedure. We have to take out terms from the fraction. So fx is x squared. We want to take out 2x plus 6, this term, so you need to add vx. So the same way, so at the denominator. But at the same time, you have to minus vx. So you got the thing. So it is 2x plus 6. So you take out the first part. Okay, it is 1/2. And what is left behind is minus 17x plus 24 over 2x plus 6. Compare the coefficient of the largest one again. This time is 17 over negative 17 over 2. So the result of b is negative 17 over 2. So you got the oblique asymptote will be half x minus 17 over 2 and y equals. It is a standard procedure to finding out the oblique asymptote. It is not very common in IBDP, but it is still in the curriculum, so try to learn how to do it.